use Suno AI version 4 step-by-step music mastery. The best AI music tool just got a massive upgrade from high-fidelity sound to the new remix engine. Here's how to master Suno version 4. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use Suno AI version 4 step by step. Even if you are a complete beginner, we will cover everything from generating studio quality music to remixing tracks and using advanced features like stem splitting and lyric control. By the end of this video, you will know how to create professional level AI music that actually sounds polished and not robotic. Now, before we jump in, let's quickly understand what makes version 4 so powerful. Suno version 4 introduces high-fidelity audio generation, which is cleaner vocals and instruments, and a brand new remix engine along with stem splitting for editing individual parts of a song. It also comes with a better lyric understanding and control. This means that you're no longer just generating random songs, you're actually producing music. First, let's simply log in to Suno, and once you're in, we're simply going back to our homepage. We see the text box interface like any other AI tool, and you can create your first track even by clicking on create directly or by asking the AI to generate something for you. If you go on create from the main dashboard on the left, this opens the exact studio editor where we can start creating and just writing in our song description. Let's do a quick tour of the studio. On the left side, we have our text box, and here's where we're going to type in our prompts. You can also go to the advanced features if you want some specific lyrics, or if you want to add in more options and styles. We're going to keep it simple for now. Now on the right side, we have all of the music tracks that we ever generated, and once we type in a prompt and click on generate, we're going to see all of our generated song ideas and suggestions right here. Now you can enter a prompt describing your song, and you can choose a style and a genre and just simply hit generate. Within seconds, Suno will create a full track with vocals, instruments, and structure. Now, once you simply add in your prompt in the style and the lyrics that you want, click on create. Within a few seconds and under a minute, Suno is going to generate the entire song for us with the exact lyrics we just mentioned. You can also generate these lyrics with AI, and with the help of AI, you can prompt almost everything here. Now we have our suggestions on the very right, and we can simply even preview each one of these by clicking on them. And once they start playing, you can hear the music and see if you like it. Don't worry if you're not satisfied in the first generation. You can always refine your prompt and go back to editing your prompt or just generating 2 or 3 times till you're satisfied and get the best output. And once you're satisfied, you can simply click on download, and Suno allows you to download this into an MP3 file or different layouts. Now let's talk about the biggest upgrades, which is the high quality sound. In version 4, our outputs are clear vocals, we have more realistic instruments, and better mixing and balance. To take advantage of this, your prompts need to be more detailed. Instead of saying make a sad song, you can say something like a slow, emotional piano ballad with soft female vocals with clean studio quality and deep reverb. The more specific you are, the better Suno understands the sound you want. Now let's talk about using the new remix engine. This is where things get really powerful. Let's say you generated a song, but it's not perfect. Instead of starting over, you can use the remix feature. Now, here's how. You can open your generated track, and on the very top, you're going to see the remix option. Now, you can also open a studio or open it in an editor, and it just gives you all of these options. And now it just comes along with different options if you want to extend it, or you want it to cover, or if you want to create a mashup. You can modify your prompt, you can change style or the mood, vocals, etc. And then you can generate again. For example, you can turn a pop song into a lo-fi version, change male vocals to female, or add more energy or instruments. This allows you to iterate and refine your music just like a real producer would. One of the most advanced features in V4 is stem splitting. This means that you can separate your track into vocals, instruments, drums, and background elements. Why is this useful, you ask? It's because you can remove vocals and create an instrumental. You can adjust specific part of the song and remix only certain elements. For example, you can take a track, you can remove vocals, and use it as background music for your videos. Sono V4 also comes with better control over lyrics. Instead of letting AI generate everything, you can write your own lyrics and edit generated lyrics. And then also guide the structure, verses, chorus, or the bridge. To do this, toggle manual lyrics mode and paste or write your lyrics and then generate the track. This is perfect if you want more creative control or you're building a brand around your music. If you want professional results, your prompts matter the most. Here's a simple formula you can follow. First is going to be the genre that you're going to mention, followed up with your mood, then instruments, then vocal style, and then production quality. If you take an example, you could write in something like a cinematic orchestral track with epic drums, emotional strings, male choir, male vocals, and high quality film style production. You can also stack details like tempo, it can be fast or slow. You can type in the era if you want a modern or a 90s kind of vibe. You can also go along with the effects. It could be reverb, echo, or distortion. Think of prompts like instructions to a music producer. And once your track is ready, simply download it the way I just mentioned earlier. You can download it in high quality. You can export stems if needed and also use it for content like YouTube or social media. You can also reuse tracks for background music, for ads, and personal projects. Now let's talk about some beginner mistakes that you need to avoid. First mistake is using very basic prompts. This is going to lead to generic results and you'll get bored after a while. You may not find Sono as interesting, so just use your creativity and get in creative mode. Another is not using remix. Many beginners regenerate from scratch instead of refining their track. This is great if you're a beginner because you have the control, while remixing is always the better option because it doesn't just keep giving you the generic output and generic music, it is actually remixing it and rebranding the generated audio already. Also, don't ignore stems, they give you much more control over your final output. Here are some tips for music mastery. First is to experiment with different genres and styles to understand what works the best. Also use remix multiple times to gradually improve your track instead of expecting perfection in one go. And that is how you can master the Suno AI music and especially the V4 version. You can also combine your own lyrics with AI generated music for unique results and a more personalized brand. And most importantly, treat Sono like a creative partner, not just a tool. Sono AI V4 is a huge leap forward in AI music creation. With high fidelity sound, remixing capabilities, and advanced controls, you can now create music that actually feels professional. Whether you're making content, experimenting with music, or building a brand, Sono gives you the tools to turn ideas into real tracks really fast. And that is how you can use Sono AI V4 to create and master AI generated music step by step. From high quality sound generation to remixing and advanced controls, you now have everything you need to start producing professional level tracks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more guides on AI tools, music creation, and online income ideas. And if you want more advanced Sono tutorials, let me know in the comments below. Share your experience with the different versions of Sono, and if you have any questions or queries, also leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.